Okay, welcome to Ameya Cloud. We share what we have learned. In this video, I am going to walk about AZ900 certification course. If you are a fresher, new to cloud technology, want to switch your career to cloud path, or you are from management background and wants to understand Microsoft cloud technology, then I am so glad you are watching this. This is the video for you. Before I move on further, first let's see what is AZ900 and what it covers up. The Azure Fundamental is the entry-level cloud certification for Microsoft offering cloud technology. This certification is generally referred to by its course code AZ900. This is the foundational certificate for Microsoft Cloud journey. The AZ900 is about knowing the following topics. Explore Azure cloud concepts, Azure architectures, Azure core services, Azure solutions, security, governance, compliance and monitoring, pricing, and finally support and the SLA management. Why should I get the AZ900? Long story short, I can put it in this way. A certificate from Microsoft says that you are proficient in a specific role or technology that you obtain the certifications. But it's more than that. You will get a certificate to prove you have passed, but you are also sending a message to the companies and the industries in general that you have cloud skills and expertise. You may already have the skills, but without the certification, it is a lot more work to prove or convince the employers and clients of that fact. Certification provides instant creditability, states that you are qualified candidate to work on the Azure project as well, stand out in the crowd to apply for the new positions. So who is the AZ900 for? I assume you agree that cloud computing has a ton of potential opportunities and AZ900 is the first key to unlocking it. This is suitable for those who just passed out or searching in a job market, or those who are looking to switch the career to cloud technology, or I can say a non-technical background like a sales or management people wants to inform the company's VP or CEOs to migrate or the benefits of the cloud technology, or the existing developer or administrators, or the existing solution architects, or the project or program managers, those who are very new or unknown about any of the cloud technologies. This video is created specifically for those who wants to get Microsoft Azure Fundamental Cloud Certification. This series of video will cover all the areas of AZ900 exam. So now, how to get AZ900 certified? In short, I can say that watch this video lecture and memorize the key informations, do hands-on lab and follow along within your own Azure account, do paid online practice exam that simulates the real exams. So this method you can able to get certified. Also, I'm happy to share some of that guidelines about that exam content, or the expectation from the exams, the type of the questions you may expect in the exams, the timeline, and how much time do you need to prepare for these exams. First, let's begin with the content outline. All of the Microsoft exams, they are divided into different modules or areas, and Microsoft provides certain weightage to each area. Based on the weightage, the number of questions you may expect in the actual exam. For example, in AZ900, they have more than 6 areas, and for example, let's take here cloud concepts. They are giving a weightage of 20 to 25% of weightage. What it means is, if your actual exam contains 100 questions, and you may expect 20 to 25 number of questions from the cloud concept itself. Likewise, they are giving weightage for core Azure service 15 to 20%, core solutions and management tools for 10 to 15%, general security and network security features for 10 to 15%, identity, governance, privacy and compliance features for 20 to 25%, and finally the cost management and service level agreement for 10 to 15%. So you may see based on this weightage the number of questions in the actual exams. Now you may have a question, sir. How long do I need to study to pass this AZ900? Based on my previous experience, and also I have trained a number of students, based on my assessment, I generalize, but obviously it will vary with individual capability and case by cases. But a general rule of thumb or a guideline, what I see, if you are already working in IT industry as a developer or an administrator or having 5+ years of experience, then I can, my suggestion or my recommendation is 10 hours of study is enough to get this certified. But please keep in mind that not like a single day 10 hours. I assume that you put 1 to 3 hours in each day with in a consolidated 5 to 10 days. That kind of a period I'm recommending. And if you are from a sales or management, at least you need 16 hours of study in that same kind of a factor. Or if you are a fresher, definitely you need bare minimum of 20 hours. In short, a couple of weeks to 3 weeks is more than enough for any kind of resources to get these certifications. Then, how many questions you may expect in this exam, sir? There are 40 to 60 questions you may expect. It varies the number of questions by exam, and you can afford to get 12 to 18 questions wrong. If you are getting a 40 questions, then I can say up to 12 wrong is affordable. Still you can able to get pass. Out of 40, 38, 28 questions are correct, you will get passed. If you are getting 60 questions, then 18 questions wrongs are permitted. And the format of questions are multiple choice. You choose the best answer, or multiple answers. It is also a multiple choice, but more than one answers are correct. Or drag and drop. There are different options are given. You need to drag and drop to the respective places. Or the hot area. Hot area is similar like drag and drop, but the same answer is valid for more than one position. And what is the passing mark for this exam? The passing grade is 700 out of thousands. So all exams Microsoft is considering for a 1000, and for that 1000, the 700, around 700 they are saying is a passing mark, or in short you can say 70% to pass the exam. And the duration of exam, it's total 60 minutes. But also if you look for Microsoft portal, they are saying seat time and exam time. Exam time is the actual your answering time, and seat time is 90 minutes, which includes your instructions and your ID validation, everything. And where do you take the AZ900 exams? I can say you can take in-person test center, which is provided by the Pearson VU. They are the authorized test center for Microsoft, or online from the convenience of your home also you can able to provide this exam. So both the options Microsoft is given. So you can choose whichever is suitable to you. And then you may have other questions. So once I completed this AZ900, what is my roadmap? As I said, if you are a professional or you want to pursue further in that area, then the roadmap is necessary. Microsoft is divided all that certification course in Azure based on the role based. What it means is they categorized all the certifications in three groups: fundamental, associate, expert. Fundamental is those who are certified this fundamental certification, those who are obtained this fundamental certification, they are at the beginner level of the technology or tools, or they can say up to 2 years of experience they have this in that area. Those who obtained an associate level of certification, Microsoft says that they are above the beginner and are an intermediate kind of an skill set, or you can equivalent them like an 5 years of experience in used experience in that specific technology or the area. And then finally the expert is what Microsoft says is they are the pro in those areas. So with this classifications, AZ900 falls in the fundamental category, which means even though you don't know anything, you are perfectly allowed to take these exams. At the same way for associate also. So associate is a little bit streamlined area. There are administrator, Azure administrator, Azure developer, Azure engineer, Likewise, data scientists, those who are targeting for data scientist, you can take this DP100 exam. Those who are target for data engineer, then you can take for this DP200 or DP201 exams, or those who are targeting for a security, AZ500. As I stated before, associate is kind of an above the beginner or an intermediate kind of an expertise they are having. And the final one is an expert level in the Microsoft Azure. There are two kind of expert certifications currently Microsoft offering. One is solution architect expert and another one is DevOps engineering expert. For DevOps engineering expert, there is a prerequisite. You should obtain any one of administrator or a developer associate certification before appearing for DevOps. But for solution architect, there are two certifications, AZ 400 and 401. Then that is enough. For all other certification courses, there is no any much prerequisites. Also, some certifications Microsoft offering in Azure as a specialty. One example is Azure IoT Developer. This is about the roadmap. Now, let's see about the series of videos as I mentioned earlier. I'm going to host it. Whatever we have seen so far is an introduction where we seen what, why, who, how about the AZ900 certifications. The next module of video I'm going to discuss about the Azure cloud concepts, where I'm going to discuss about why cloud, different cloud models, different cloud services. And there is another video series which contains my module 3, where I'm going to discuss about the Microsoft Azure core services, where I'm discuss about Azure architecture, core Azure services, Azure solutions, Azure management. And in the fourth module of video, I'm going to discuss about Microsoft Azure security, privacy, compliance. Also, it includes the networking, Azure identity, security tools, governance, compliance, and monitoring. And the last module, I'm going to discuss about Azure cost, pricing, and support, where I'm discussing about what is Azure subscriptions, support options, and service level agreements. Thank you.